If you want to fix the yellow or orange screen issue on the Motorola Edge 70, here's what you need to do. First, we're gonna go to Settings. Scroll down in Settings in order to find Display Settings, and then in here we should be able to find the nightlight option, which can be the reason why the screen is so orange or yellow. You can also tap on this option in order to find out if the schedule is not set up, because for example, if it is, then later on in the future, the nightlight might be re-enabled by itself. You can of course adjust the intensity if you want to, but generally speaking, we need to turn this option off. Besides that, if that didn't help, or if the screen still feels like it is slightly orange or yellow, then you can go to Colors in Display Settings, and you might want to check the color temperature adjustment. If it's, for example, warm, or if it's set to custom to be more red or yellow or something, then of course you might see the difference. But we can tap on default in order to return to white colors. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.